Here we have a Lansing Model G 16 by 40 inch with a 4 1/16 spindle hole. We have the steady rest, the follow rest, the handful of loose change gears, the OD drawers for the chuck, 4-drawer chuck, faceplate, chuck key, spindle adapter, Morse taper 5 tailstock with a live center, lock tool post, large 3-drawer chuck, big through hole, spindle speeds from 20 to 1500 RPM. There's just big spindle hole. The metric charts are easy to read. Machine's all original paint. You have it at 750 RPM. Low speed, nice correction, low speed, feed in, The ways on the machine are nice. It's a gap bed.